Hey, what's up? This is J. Lucky Henry. So today we're going to talk about 3 places you should be putting lights on the exterior of your house when you're getting ready to sell that property. Get ready. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. R-E-A-L, Real Estate Explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back, it's J. Lucky Henry. So today we're talking about 3 places, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 places you can be putting lights on the exterior of your house when you're getting ready to sell. So number 1 is you can put a beautiful, nice lantern or sconce right next to the door so that it illuminates not only the door, but the actual address. So when people are driving by at night and they're trying to buy that house, they can say, oh, there it is, 332. That's, of course, if they don't see my beautifully lit sign outside of your house saying that this is the property we're selling. So 349, 332, whatever the address is, they can see that. They can see the door, right? Especially because the door is a nice accent piece, which is slightly rolls into point number 2, is illuminate any accent pieces you have. So the nice walkway, maybe you have lights up and down, kind of like an airway, like an airplane's runway takeoff, right? Lit nice and trailing right to the front door. Or maybe you have a nice deck, right? Either in the front or the back, a nice patio or deck. Put some lights every so often in between there to kind of illuminate and accentuate that piece of the property. So that's the second place. And the third place you should definitely consider putting lights will be a little bit less noticeable, but when it goes off, you'll definitely notice it. And that's a motion detector lights anywhere on the property that gets quite dark. Any side of the house that is a little bit darker because the street lights don't hit it or anything like that, definitely consider putting a motion detector there, right? This enhances security for the property. And when buyers do walk around it, especially in the winter months up here when it's slightly dark outside but still kind of daytime, that weird kind of funk, and they walk in, oh, a motion light, that's good to know, right? Makes them feel even more secure that, hey, the seller's been taking care of this property. They have the motion lights. I can see the landscaping's done because you watched this video and you got all the tips on how to landscape. So these are my 3 places you should definitely have a light on the exterior of your property. Right in front of the front door to illuminate the door and the address, any accent pieces on the property, and a motion light in all the places that it gets dark. It's been real. It's been 90. Gotta go. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more.